This is Garima Kuswaha, first year professional medical student at JMC Betia. Today I will be sharing the counseling procedure for NEET 2021 and the cutoff. Okay, here you can see that I am having a booklet from which I have gathered some information, and these are the sites which you can prefer to go. Okay, and the colleges. Like Lady Hardinge Medical College, Maulana Azad Medical College, UCMS and KGMU, and in our Bihar like NMCH, PMCH, etc. Okay. Actually, state-wise medical college list I am having this one. You can see here. So the first college is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, Anugrah Narayan Medical College, Darbhanga Medical College, Government Medical College, Betia, Indira Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Jannayak Karpuri Thakur Medical College and Hospital, Jawahar Lal Nehru Medical College, JNMCH, Katihar Medical College and Hospital, Lord Buddha Kosi Medical College and Hospital, Madhubani Medical College and Hospital, Mata Gujari Memorial Medical College, Nalanda Medical College and Hospital, Narayan Medical College and Hospital, Netaji Subhas Medical College and Hospital, Patna Medical College and Hospital, PMCH, Sri Krishna Medical College, SKMCH, Muzaffarpur, and Vardhaman Institute of Medical Sciences, Pavapuri. Okay, these are the colleges in Bihar, and I will give NEET is the biggest UG medical entrance exam in India. The exam is held for admissions of eligible candidates in MBBS, BDS, BUMS, BHMS, BAMS, BSMS. The exam is only held offline in pen and paper mode. In all, there were 200 questions in NEET UG 2021, of which candidates only had to attend 180, and these were of 720 marks. Since lakhs of candidates are appearing for the entrance exam, it may happen that some candidates may end up scoring the same marks. In such a case, NTA will use the tiebreaker criteria for NEET 2021. First of all, a candidate who has scored higher marks in biology section gets a higher rank. If the tie is still not resolved, then the candidate who had scored more marks in chemistry is considered for the ranking. If there is still a tie, then the candidates with fewer incorrect answers in the entire paper will a higher marks and a higher rank. The rank versus marks data above is as per previous years. It will also provide an estimate that may differ a little. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET is the only medical entrance test conducted for admission in undergraduate medical courses in India. The admission in medical colleges is done based on NEET All India rank. NTA conducted the NEET 2021 exam on September 12. The exam was conducted in 13 languages. NEET is the entrance test for medical, dental, Ayush and B vocational sciences and AH colleges in India. Candidates can refer to the previous year's NEET cutoff for reference and get an idea about their admission chances in colleges. Last year's cutoff is provided in the table below for admission into the top medical colleges. The last rank at which a student is allotted a seat in any particular college is the admission cutoff of the college. Cutoff varies from year to year and the cutoffs are determined by the authorities after considering various factors such as the difficulty level of the exam, number of candidates applying for admission, seat matrix and others. Counseling process. The step by step counseling process is as follows. Step 1 is registration. Step 2 is counseling fee payment. Step 3 choice filling and locking. Step 4 is release of seat allotment list and step 5 is reporting to the allotted college. 2021 counseling eligibility criteria. Only NEET qualified candidates will be eligible to apply for counseling process. Candidates will have to complete the registration process through the official website MCC to participate in the counseling process. Admissions to 15% seats in all government medical and dental colleges, all seats of deemed universities, central universities, seats of Employees State Insurance Corporation ESIC, including Delhi University, BHU, AMU, seats in AIMS and JIPMER. The Directorate General of Health Sciences DGHS, on behalf of the Medical Counseling Committee MCC, will conduct the NEET 2021 counseling for admission. MCC conducts the counseling in an online mode. Counseling will be conducted in 2 rounds, followed by a mop-up round. Mop-up round counseling is only conducted for vacant seats left in deemed or central universities and ESIC colleges admissions. Only NEET qualified candidates will be eligible to apply for the counseling process. Candidates will have to complete the registration process through the official website of MCC to participate in counseling process.